What's up guys, Joey here of Tech, and Acer has recently launched a bunch of new refreshed laptops, including the Acer Spin 3 with an 11th gen Intel Core processor. Now, the Spin 3 is one of Acer's most iconic laptops. As the name Spin implies, it's a 2-in-1, allowing for a bunch of productivity on the go. Let's take it out of the box and check it out. Our unboxing experience was pretty minimal. Upon opening the lid, we immediately get the Spin 3 itself, nicely protected by these cardboard spacers. And on the right side of the box, we get a smaller container for the power brick. And that's it. Nothing else to deal with, all that's left is to use the Spin 3. First impressions on the design and construction. We have excellent build quality with premium materials. The chassis feels very solid and robust, with the finish feeling nice to the touch. It's very slim and compact, immediately making it perfect for portable productivity. The lid has a no-frills aluminum panel with nothing but the Acer logo in shiny silver, which will definitely be attractive for those with minimalist design tastes. Found on the left are the charging port, two Thunderbolt 4 ports, which is sweet, a full-size HDMI port, USB Type-A, and a microSD card slot. On the right side are the Kensington lock, combo audio port, another Type-A USB, the power button, battery LED indicators, and finally the built-in stylus. More on that later. Now lifting up the lid, we're greeted with a 13.3-inch IPS display with a resolution of 2560 by 1600. This is basically 1440p with some more extra vertical pixels, which means guys that we do get a 16 by 10 aspect ratio, which is often better for productivity purposes. It's also a multi-touch display, meaning you can use your fingers to tap and enlarge things, but also use that included stylus for drawing. On the top of the display, we also have the HD webcam for whenever you need to take video calls. Now taking a look at the hinge, it's just so smooth, almost allowing for one finger lift if the bottom gets a good grip on the table, and folding it from laptop mode to tent mode to tablet mode is just pretty smooth. Now checking out the adjacent edge of the screen, we get an almost edge-to-edge chiclet keyboard with pretty high quality finish on the keys. They're nice and quiet, have decent travel, and a satisfying tactile feedback. The keyboard layout is mostly standard until you get to the arrow keys, which are flanked by the page up and page down keys. A little bit unorthodox, but nothing you shouldn't be able to get used to. Below the keyboard is the trackpad that has a pretty generous size for what it is, and it's slightly offset to the left. Now powering the Spin 3 is an Intel Core i5-1135G7 Tiger Lake CPU with 4 cores and 8 threads, Intel Iris Xe graphics, and also 16GB of quad-channel memory and a 1TB dual SSD array. Software of course is Windows 10, and it comes with a 61 Wh lithium polymer battery. This is all housed in a body weighing in at just 1.5 kilograms. That's thin, light, portable, and of course packed with a lot of features and performance potential. Now I'm gonna pass the question off to you guys. What do you think about the Acer Spin 3? Let us know in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugotech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Joey, and I'll see you guys in the next one.